So user friendliness, Oracle Fusion is very attractive than Oracle EBS, and the DBA activity, server maintenance, all these kind of things. Earlier version in the EBS, they are maintaining their own premises, but now it is completely handled by the Oracle Cloud. Okay, and that is what, so end user, they will feel very comfortable. So some of the activities, whatever redundant activities which are there, those are those, they don't, I mean, client not to keep any eye on that. So automatically Oracle will suggest this is the so and so date, this is the version, so and so date, this is the patch, and even they are going to intimate when the patch is going to release, when the patch is upgrading to the production. So this entire information is providing by the Oracle, and moreover the license as compared to Oracle EBS, the license is also very cheap, 1/3 of Oracle EBS. So that is what people are looking towards Oracle Cloud. Okay, so might be this kind of question they may ask, because since we have 11 years of experience, they may expect something like, what do you know about these two? Okay,
Sorry?
they may expect some kind of question between these two, EBS and Oracle Cloud. Why, how I ask, no, such a kind of question you can expect. Maybe I am not saying it will be a mandatory, but it may be. Okay, so Oracle Fusion is concerned, what kind of job role, what is your job role now? I mean, what kind of actions you are doing day to day activities, like what kind of day-to-day activities?
Okay, you mean to say day-to-day activities, right?
Yes.
Okay. Mainly, I was, should I say, mainly like I was making sure. I don't want to say on this.
This is one of the fundamental questions they may ask.
Correct.
Day-to-day activities means what is current position of your client, whether the implementation has done or whether it is post-production, like I mean post-support. So what is the current situation of your project, you have to know. So what you have to try to tell is, because we are involved in both the implementation as well as post-support. So in the implementation, so day-to-day activities might be combination of these two. Okay, because
combination of issues.
Combination of these two.
Okay.
Means implementation activity as well as support activity. So
you're using headphones, huh?
No, sir. Since you have a lot of issue now.
Yeah, it's not so audible.
Some problem. 1 second, let me connect. We need to finish by 7:40, sir.
7:40, yeah?
7:40 we have to finish.
In the class, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, no problem, sir. You have any other class, sir?
I said no workshop.
Oh, you're working from home only or office?
Yeah, today working from home. I have workshop actually.
Yeah, now it is clear, sir.
Yeah, I connected earphones. Earphones connection is, okay, no problem. Okay, where we are?
Yeah, day-to-day activities are like
day-to-day activities. See, if you take what is the current client you are doing, there may be a chance to ask what is the current client name. It has to be there in the mouth. What is the client name? Al Faisal.
Al Faisal, okay.
Okay, so it is Al Faisal is the client from Saudi Arabia. So you have to know what is what is the outputs of that client. What is the, I mean,
correct.
Product.
Yeah, product and those things.
Yeah, those information just try to encache it from the Google. Okay, so
And
here implementation phases we did. So we have like you have to tell. So we have a phases 2A, 2B, 3A, 3B, 4A, 4B. So each phase like it's a agile methodology. Just trying to inform to interviewer saying that it is a agile methodology we are following. In the 2A we implemented direct uh, indirect procurement. Okay, 2B we implemented product management kind of stuff, 2B and 3A. Okay, and 3B, 4A, and we are trying for these 3B, 4A. Actually, direct procurement will be going on.
now what is this 2A, 2B?
So these are the phases. Like phase means we know it. I mean, no one. One second. See, no one will implement everything in one shot.
Correct, correct.
Okay, so they're going to segregate the work based on the duration of the time. I mean, as per the duration. Like one phase, they are going to do some direct implementation. I mean, whatever project plan which I was discussing to you now. So it was
Mm.
we did in the previous project. Okay, so first phase we implemented indirect procurement.
Okay.
Okay, so indirect procurement we implemented and then post support started. Then next after few days we started even parallelly another task like product management, another
Okay.
module. So then it went again post support. Post support we are doing for both product management as well as indirect. So you can say that implementation and usually implementation and support will be both are vertical, but whether you want to stick to support or how you wanted to drive your mind here. See, if they ask what is the day-to-day activities means you want to stick to only support, then you want to stick to implementation because both the things handling means other person will feel how the guy will handle. So such a kind of
Correct.
question rise in their minds. So if you are
That's
in
what. So
uh,
that's what I'm having in my mind is latest one is like implementation. Before EBS, I was support. I can tell you, as you told earlier to me.
hmm,
So currently, I'm on the implementation side. In after cloud
hmm,
fusion
yeah,
migrated. Before in the EBS, I was like ERP or EBS. I was supporting. So now
yeah.
totally I'm in implementation.
Okay, that will be better. So in the implementation phase, what module you are doing? So you can say procurement and product and inventory. So in this one, they may ask, so in the procurement, what you are doing.
Okay.
Okay, in the procurement, how you divided your work, and so far, how much amount of task you have been finished. So such a kind of questions definitely they're going to ask in the implementation.
So to tell those things to them, sir, like what were you doing? Like, for example, in procurement, what are the tasks you're doing? How did you segregate your work in procurement? Something if they come. So what are the priority things you have done? What was the major task you're doing? What is your roles and responsibility in procurement while implementation?
Mm.
These things they come. How do I come up,
Yeah,
sir?
so in this area, if they ask the questions, so we have to give a high level scenario first, and then you'll need to go to the granular level. So high level means you can give both direct procurement and indirect procurement. So in the direct procurement, if you concern, so and we should have items has to be present in the product I mean in the Oracle Cloud. If it is indirect procurement is concerned, we don't require any items. So without items, we can start the what you call run the business, like direct procurement you can do. So in this particular procurement, what is our role is, so configurations I am working. So what are the configurations we started? So we can say common architecture, common arc, what common arc structure for Oracle Cloud. So you trying to tell, so I configured using the BRD 100. So you can give the clarity to them. So requirements gathering, and then process documentation, and then BR 100 preparation. So we were doing, okay, in the BR 100, what we are trying to do, we are trying to create the configurations for legal entity, business unit, okay, and enterprise name, it is the part of HCM, but just we are trying to understanding how they have been developed this enterprise information, okay, and inventory, sub inventories, locators, and then we have been involving, okay, common architecture, configure procurement BU, configure requisition BU, manage payment terms, okay, document line types, and lookups. So all these things I have been doing, along with I have been preparing the BR under document. Okay, so in these things, for example, if I take my alpha Isl, so we have around 20 to 25 BUs we have. Okay, so if you take legal entities, we have a 10 legal entities. Okay, under each, see these wording and the values we have to be always say constantly. 10 legal entities, each legal entity we have a 5 BUs. So 5 into 10, it could be a 50. So legal entities will be 10. Okay, under each legal entity we have a 5 BUs, and each BU, if they ask question, how many inventories are there, means you can say 2. Okay, so 2 inventories for each BU. So like that we have segregated our requirements. So according to that we have been preparing. So this is like just we are giving rough idea to them. Okay, so these kind of activities I have been doing. So how we are doing, they may ask. So our plan is, first we need to configure our system in the development, and then we have a CRP1, CRP2. What in by CRP1? What in by CRP1 means to verify our particular configurations are working or not. So 1 second, CRP1 meaning in implementation.
So, I mean, is there any YouTube kind of thing in the this also regarding SCM interview questions or?
Sir, there is no chance, sir. That is what I'm
Mhm.
been trying, right? So
Correct. Got it.
if you
I
go
mean, I
there,
wanted to. Yeah.
it will be a full confuse.
Hmm.
Okay. So implementation, see, you say like support also I did, and then somehow now implementation started. So we see, no one will ask like question and answers nowadays.
Hmm.
They will go always
No,
scenario
no,
based.
generally only see telling question answers is very easy, but you see after seeing the resume, see what I'm having in my mind after seeing the resume, what are your day-to-day activities there? That is the first question. So, I mean, one thing is why you left Oracle. One thing. So, what is the difference between ERP and Fusion Cloud?
Yeah.
So, what is the
So
major,
yeah, this
what is the
difference
major
it has
difference?
to, you have to know the
Hmm.
difference. If we see org structure, it has been changed from EBS to Oracle Cloud. Okay, so their business unit they are calling as operating unit. In
Okay.
EBS, so whatever business unit which you are calling in the Oracle Cloud, they were calling as operating unit. And here, if you take product management and inventory, these two modules were combined in the EBS. Okay, so this was the some of the differences between, even approval mechanism also drastically they have different. I mean, lot of difference between EBS and Oracle Cloud. So in the approval, if you take here, we have a serial and parallel, but there we have only serial. In the parallel again, we have a drill down to two things. So these are like, some of the differences we have to write. And another difference is security module. Not security module also we have a lot of difference. There we have a responsibilities, but here we used to call it as job roles. Okay, job roles and their responsibilities. And job role and data access, which once you have, you can do the one of the, I mean the work with the BUs, like what kind of transactions which you want to perform, either any of the module, you must require job role and data access. Okay, so these are the differences we found. But now I have been working with the Oracle Cloud for implementation. See, you say like implementation. See, completely you should not say like we. That is what here I am getting doubt whether we want to tell implementation or support. Because since you have a lot of experience, right? So
Hmm.
support. If you are keep on telling, then it could be a problem.
That is what, like, I think I mentioned totally 5 years, right? Like 3 years or 4 years, something, right? So 5 years of supporting. Okay, that's what
Yeah,
it says, right, in the resume.
yeah. 5 years in EBS, sir. 3 years in
EBS.
Oracle. Yeah, three
Yeah.
years in Oracle Cloud implementation. See, based on the complexity of the project, the implementation might be it will take 1 or 2 years. So 3 years means you say that implementation I did, and for that same implementation I am doing post go live support. You say both the things.
Okay.
Okay, because 3 years Oracle Cloud implementation will be very rare. So what you are trying to tell is we completed implementation phase, and that for the same project, for the same alpha as well, we are doing the post implementation support.
Post means after implementation is done, right?
Yes, after implementation is done. Okay, now they may bring, they may get, I mean they may ask some questions. So what you did implementation?
Hmm.
So
Correct.
when they start implementation, you try to give bullet points kind of thing. So BR100 preparation, configurations for BUs, legal entities, primary ledger, okay, and then procurement BU, numbering, and then whatever in the BR100 we have, those things you have to be, it has to come from your mouth without any interruption.
Okay. BR100, right?
Yes,
BR100 means that whatever that multiple, I mean, pages are there. That's all the pages are only on procurement, right?
correct. Content page, whatever names are there, that has to come
Okay.
from your mind automatically. I mean, without
Correct.
any delay.
Okay. Okay.
Document numbering, buyer assignment, CMs, approvals, okay, and then
Okay.
uh, what do you call creation of catalogs, local catalog, punch out catalogs, okay,
If
and
they
then
ask like how you configure catalog or how you configure this one, and
now
what is
first we need to give these things.
correct.
Then if they ask how to create the local catalog, how to create the punch out. So
Correct.
creation of local catalog, how we need to do? So we should have a first job role. Category manager is the job role. Once you have a job role, then you can find the catalog in the dashboard. So you go open the catalog. So go to that screen. So that you have to practice. You have a, so once you go there, manage catalog is the task. In the manage catalog, once you click on that, system will ask, are you creating catalog for local or punch out? So select the local. So when you open the screen for creating catalog, system will ask exclude agreements or include agreements, include items. There are a lot of options are there. So that options we need to, they, they may not ask much, but you have to give some information. So include items with the agreements. So we are going to select that option, and then we are creating the local catalog. So once you create the local catalog, when you are creating the PR, so the requester will select that local catalog through shop by category. Moment once they select, system automatically fill the PR page with this information. Means local catalog means we are not connecting to third party system to create the PR. We are creating the PR by using our data which is present in the internal system. So whereas punch out catalog means we're connecting to the outside third party system. From there, whatever items which you want from the supplier, those are selecting. And once you create a mapping set in the Oracle Cloud using the mapping set, system will pull the data and will create the PR. So that is what, so practice local catalog means at least you know what is required, and when you open the local catalog what options are there. So these things and all you have to have at least idea.
Okay. That's what whatever BRD is there, accordingly I can prepare
That
it,
is what
right?
I'm telling. BRD you have to start preparation so that you will get a hands-on experience. Got my point?
Yeah, sir. Sir, now interview will be there next month drive, or I mean coming next, not this
That I'm
Saturday
not
happening.
aware, sir. No, this Saturday it is not there, but
No,
whenever,
usually drive will happen in a month once, right?
probably monthly once.
Okay.
Sometimes demand is more monthly twice also, but you can consider as a monthly once.
But it is they are scheduled as interview, right?
What do you mean by interview?
No, no, you told the portal they are
Yes,
scheduled
yes,
for the
it
interview,
was
right?
showing. It was showing, correct. Okay, so before starting Oracle Cloud, what is required? Like how we are going to start to use the Oracle Cloud? This is the question for you.
Yeah, so, basically we gather the information from the client and based on the requirement,
No,
we
no,
prepare.
you. Uh, now what I'm asking is, you have a requirement. You gathered everything happened.
Okay.
Now we need to start using the Oracle Cloud tool. So
Okay.
what is required for you? Like how we are
Mainly
going
we use
to, yeah, go ahead.
mainly we see that I mean a common architecture is set up. Okay, mainly the username.
First we require the two users, sir.
Yeah,
Implementation user. Implementation user is mandatory.
the
So employee
implementation
user
user,
is option. Yeah.
correct.
First
Employee
you need to
user,
create the implementation user in the user in the Oracle Cloud. So
okay.
once you have that, then only system will allow to enter into the system. I mean, enter into the tool.
Hmm.
Mm. So what could be the difference between implementation user and employee user?
Uh, employee user is an as an end user is able to I mean as an end user, I mean is able to see whether the flow is correct as per the requirement, right?
Tell me, you just continue.
Yeah,
Whatever you know.
so it is implement user and employee user, right?
Mm.
See, implement user is something where he's going to set up, right? How to process the things. So employee user is going to see the flow as per the requirement.
So how are you going to differentiate between these users? So what key job roles are required to become the implementation user?
Mainly the job roles, right?
That is what key job roles. What are the job roles?
Okay. I'm not sure, sir.
Hmm? I think you have not prepared, huh?
I mean, by asking the questions, I'm not sure. How can I give that answer?
No, that is what preparation, sir. Once you now have a preparation, definitely automatically answer will not strike by your mind, right?
Correct.
No, but where is it is lacking? Like, where exactly? Like preparation of from your end or any like from my end, I'm not
No, not
giving.
from your end, sorry. Preparation, if you go for the resume, if you see as per the resume, if the resume is prepared, and so based on the resume, if you go for the resume, so
Mhm,
whatever is mentioned, like for example, I mean management and procurement module are those things.
mhm,
I mentioned so many things, right? So if for the example, if they ask like what are the job roles you set up in procurement,
mhm.
what is the difference between, as you asked, right, implement user and the end user?
Correct.
So implement user is what who's going to set up the
No, no,
uh,
that I got it. Now,
okay,
what job roles are required to become the implementation user, and what job roles are required to become the end user? So I told right, these are the three job roles are required to start to at least to see the configuration screens in the Oracle Cloud. Application implementation consultant, application implementation manager, and IT security admin. So once you have IT security admin, then you himself as a super user, you will get a privilege to create the another users. I mean to create any users in the system. So once you don't have IT security admin, then you are the only user. So user means again here implementation and employee user. Implementation is required application implementation consultant job role, application implementation manager. These
okay,
two job roles are mandatory.
for implementing, right?
Yes. Implementing means once you have that, you can see setup and maintenance in your dashboard. Using that setup and maintenance, you can go to configuration screens.
Okay,
So end users means again it depends upon end user belongs to procurement, finance, or project management or HCM. So how they are going to differentiate based on the job roles. Suppose if your user become the procurement, you have to add the job roles of procurement preparer, procurement requester, and advanced procurement requester and catalog administrator. So these are the four key job roles. If you have, then those particular person can make PR, POs, and catalog creations, local catalog creations, smart forms. So all these kind of activities you can do along with along with job roles. He must have a data access. Means for which business unit you want to perform the actions, you should require data access. So this is the way you can make the difference between implementation user and end user.
correct. Yeah, because if there is any data somewhere, I can grasp it or prepare it separately. That is something lagging. Okay, you're
Sir,
telling
we
fine.
don't get, sir. It is very
Got
tough.
it, got it. Yeah, that is what.
No,
Got
no,
it.
Oracle Cloud actually the what you call documentation will get it is very large, but from there you can't scrutinize your things. So that is
Correct.
what I have been telling day one onwards. Whatever video I'm going to give, from there you listen that, you write it down the notes, and those notes you have to link from one video to another video, and this practice you have to do along with you have to do the parallel practice with the system. And even I have given BR100, I have given even documentation for procurement. So these things will be like very huge, some 500, 600 papers are there. So
Yeah,
once you
yeah, I agree with that. Yeah,
once
I
you,
agree that.
yeah,
But at this situation, filtering myself. I mean, in the for the purpose of interview, like not asking myself only questions. So if I come anything comes in the question to my mind, then I need to look into that where there exactly. Example where you gave me that screenshot, right? I mean 26 questions, right?
Yes. No,
Yeah.
okay. 26 questions. Some of the common questions they are given, but along with I'll give some more questions. But whatever I'm going to give, these things once you are perfect, I cannot.
Hmm.
I'm not expecting like 100%. I'm expecting at least 76 to 70%. If you are perfect in that, then easily you can crack the interview.
No, that 70-60% also I should go video one by one every day, sir. I mean, every day means I'm not telling you it's difficult,
Hmm.
but again, it is taking time. For example, yesterday I went for the 26 this one. So I was trying to where I can get. I tried from the Google also. I went one of the videos. So from the videos, yeah, one or two I got it like okay. So that way it is taken. After 26 questions, I got only 4 questions of seeing like 4 to 5 hours of video. Which one video, and that's what. Uh,
So our mistake is like even not only you, general human being, what they will do is until unless if they I mean if they ask us to go for war, that time we'll start practice. Okay.
no,
So
sir. It is, see, the thing is, I don't know where to start up for this process. So,
no, why I am
where to
not understanding. See, whatever videos, whatever classes so far I have taken, why you are not started day one onwards?
that's what I did, Mr. I thought videos are there so I can see it whenever is required or something.
No, right? How come it will
And
be?
videos are, it says only class 14 or 15 or something. I mean, if I
Obviously, sir. See,
correct, if I would have renamed it that for that particular concept wise means, then definitely I would have gone to that particular video. Oh, this video is this one. Okay,
but the
then
thing is, you
definitely.
are not doing anything. See, motto is first class, listen the class, then anyhow I'm uploading. Once you put it in your local machine, you have to rename it as per the concept, and
Correct.
then that
That
particular
mistake I did.
that those things and all. No, these are like self educated education. These and all. Okay, and apart from preparation of notes, why it is required is
Hmm.
even I'm nowadays, I mean we are also attending workshops, so
Okay.
4 hours they will give large amount of data,
Hmm.
and in the workshop they won't give even video itself.
Okay.
So as soon as once you are not suppose, okay, we will say okay, we'll skip today and we can start tomorrow, means definitely will forget, there is no doubt. So my kindly suggestion, my kindly uh, trigger for you is you have to start whatever class which we have completed.
Okay. Yesterday also after that 12 videos or something is there. I don't know which video for which question I should go. That was a confusion.
No, that is what
So
you have to download, and you have to give at least date, this day, next day. Definitely day to day some relation will be there, right?
correct. Correct.
So I have been uploading like class 1, class 2. You have
Correct.
to, if once you download that, open that, see the video, then next video if you are seeing, definitely some input will be there in the next video. If you are, so that sequence, that self things you have to do from your own, sir.
Correct, sir. Correct. But I didn't mean that I did not ignore. But this experience comes only by practice only. So now I came. So definitely, yeah. So now, see after this video, then definitely I'm going to name this is something an into kind of video. So there definitely next time when I go, then click that particular video and check it out.
Mm. So what you have to do is, anyhow in the procurement module, okay.
Hmm.
So I given class 1, class 2 like that. So
Okay.
whatever videos which you have, start from initial to last, along with you try to understand with the system, is do some little bit practice, and BR ended. In the BR ended, see from the BR ended, you won't get anything. You will get manage BU. Okay, if you, I mean, the task name will get, if you open the in the Excel sheet, they will give what and all options are there. That same options, it will be visible in the system as also.
Correct. Sir, now the 26 questions, and, I mean, do you have any answers, or I should
No,
identify?
I didn't understand. Actually, in the video I have explained, right, everything. But you are telling only
I,
4 questions.
no, 4 questions means each video I need to look into, right? Like, for example, I think most of them I search from the Google. Okay, so if you want, I can share you that Excel. You want to see this one?
1 second. Uh,
No, I have answered some questions. Okay.
no. See, in the
Yeah.
procurement module,
So you mean to say all 26 questions are in this procurement model only?
that interview question is there, no? Interview questions, video clip, some
Oh,
53 MB.
okay.
So there it will be there. So all
Oh,
questions, all questions, I have given the answers.
but I didn't go for these videos. I went from class 1, class 2 videos.
That is your mistake. What to do?
Yesterday I found out 5 videos. I spent some 4 hours, 4.5 hours. Okay. I became mad. Okay. So,
Mhm.
okay, then fine. I don't know what to do. Then I thought I went to Google this one. I searched something. Then this one.
So for 26 questions, you have prepared now?
For 26 questions, I found only 4 questions, 4 answers.
Oops. So, okay, whatever happened is happened, no problem. So now
Okay.
start from these videos. See, don't do anything. Videos, okay. Interview
Okay.
questions, video clip also there. Interview session also two sessions are there for interviews.
Correct.
Okay.
Into session 1, into session top one, and fifth one, right?
Yes.
Okay.
And so the procurement, whatever videos which you have,
Okay.
first understand that video, write down the notes. Otherwise, what will happen is every day you cannot see the video. It will be very
Okay. You
tough.
want me to see only these videos, right? For procurement.
Yes.
Oh, this is a mistake I did. Okay. Should I went to the classes? If you come back there,
Mhm.
video. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Procurement model.
Yeah, that is what I opened, right?
But here, not this one. Okay. Maybe class 1, class 2. That one was there.
So
Somewhere
here
here I.
we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 like that we have.
Okay. 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 For this folder is sufficient, right? If I for procurement, right?
For procurement, this folder is okay.
Okay. No, sure, sir. Tomorrow I'll get ready with this procurement. I'll try to prepare the answers for this one.
And remaining things here, procurement basics are there. So
Okay.
these things, when you want to start is once you finish this folder, then you come these things and just open that and find out. Because
See, okay,
uh,
you mentioned you're like class 12, class 11. So
and
this videos I went from class 1, class 2, class 3 videos.
so I don't know. I mean, I did not remember what was there in this because it was so long, right?
Correct. That's what even I was trying, went one by one. I went to 7 to 8 videos,
Mm.
each like 40 or 30 minutes videos. See, here we have, right? Class
Mm.
1, class 2, class. This videos I went. So I was looking like a watchdog which for this question where this video will come there. This one. Then I became mad. Okay, so I don't know what to do,
No,
how to
that
do
is
this.
what I asked no yesterday. Whatever questions which you have, just send it me. But you didn't send anything
The
in the
questions
WhatsApp.
in the sense about
No,
in
whatever
26
doubts I
questions.
was asking, right? But you
Okay.
didn't give any what do you call info in the WhatsApp. Then I
No, but I thought you were asking about the 26 questions you have doubts in that. So I thought I have all 26 questions doubt. I don't know which question to ask you.
Mhm. Okay, fine, no problem. Anyhow, it is the like experience kind of thing. So
Correct,
now
sir.
you
Yeah.
finish this interview questions of 102 sessions are there, right?
Okay.
So first finish that so that
Okay.
you will get for 26 questions you will get answers.
Sure, sure. I'll do it, sir. I'll
So
do it.
first you prepare that one in a detailed manner.
Okay.
Then you start from procurement 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like that.
Okay.
Okay, so that way you start preparation. And so like today, what is the day today? Thursday,
Ninth.
right?
Yeah.
So Saturday we'll start class. Saturday, what time
Okay.
we will start is we'll start 9 on thing is we'll start by 8.
Yeah, over, sir. Over, you are free. I am free from 9 months. Don't worry.
Okay, no problem. 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock is I feel early. So 10 to 12 I have another class. Mm,
Afternoon also fine. I mean, you wanted to be free and finish it at I mean, afternoon, evening, morning.
Morning, thoda, I mean, give me sometimes because
No
this
problem, sir.
all 5 days, at least I will
You can
feel
use
okay.
you
We'll
can
take
use me
a
at
little
any
bit
time, sir.
more sleep. So 5 o'clock we'll start. For five
Okay, sure.
o'clock, 5
Saturday,
to
right?
Saturday 5 to 7.
Okay.
5 to 7 is fine, right? So Sunday we'll decide based on the um, what do you call gap. Okay.
So now most of the SCM this month, I see lot of things. Nowhere they have mentioned like a BCom or something. All are technical asking computer science, BE, MTech, like a diploma in
No,
computers.
no problem. No one will ask like
No, no,
I.
no. In the Naukri or wherever you see job, SCM, if you put it jobs, okay.
Mm.
The required qualification, they mention that. Okay, so not sure if I can apply or not. Like in that case, I
You,
can't
sir, you
apply.
put in Naukari. That
Okay.
is their headache. They want to take or not. That is their headache. There is no what you call qualification restriction to this particular job.
Okay. I've already updated, sir. Taken the number, the different number, I ID created everything already updated.
Mm.
What was my intention is only if I fill it out, then tomorrow I won't get any chance in the company because it was already gone and blocked it, right? So what I thought of is, once certification is done and same update
No,
in the.
no, 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 no. You ignore that one. You remove that thought in your mind.
Okay, okay. No, I did
No
it
block.
in the.
No, in Naukari, no one will do the blocking. So today you did. I mean,
Not
you kept.
Naukri, sir, not
Uh,
Naukri. I mean, company. For example, for Infosys, you have done. Okay, so if you don't schedule or something, that will be blocked, right? Next time I can't apply it. Right? I'm telling not in Naukri. Now, what
mhm.
about LinkedIn, sir?
LinkedIn, I am not using much.
Okay.
So if you
One
want
of
to,
my friend got okay. I mean, he joined for today only. I mean, he's in the same group he was there. Even he was also was there in the transition time.
uh,
Okay, even he updated in LinkedIn and he got it. I think from ABB company.
okay, which role?
He was telling some no controlling and planning specialist. Okay, he was a team lead there. In he was in the team lead, different level. He was in civil. I was in I mean procurement.
Mhm. No, LinkedIn. See, if you have contacts, no worries. Put it LinkedIn as well, no problem. But I'm my from my end, I'm not using much LinkedIn. So I
Okay,
used to use Naukari most of the time.
okay.
So through Naukari only in my
You did not
career,
register, right? You did not register, right?
LinkedIn it is there, but I won't use much.
No, no, no. I mean to say, no, Naukri you registered. Huh?
Yes, registered.
No, registered means paid or something. Paid amount or
No,
something.
no, no, free account.
Okay, from free only you got the job. Huh?
Yeah.
Okay. See, I did 5,500. I paid. Nothing got already got expired 6 months over.
No, we no need to pay even ₹1, sir. Why we need to pay? Anyhow,
Hmm.
through free account only, all these consultancy peoples will, take out our resumes, and then they will call for interviews.
Okay, sir. Okay. And one more thing, sir. Like if you come to my resume, now are you already late, right? You told
No, no,
7:40,
fine, fine.
60?
Just 15 minutes you can take note of.
Okay. So if you come to my resume,
Hmm.
I think few things I need to ask.
Hmm.
Uh, Environmental something you have mentioned, right? .NET, HTML, XML. Environment means is that companies
No, no, it
platform?
is the
Huh?
front end. See, every software we have a front end and back end, right? So front
Okay.
end, the the front end page, objects, okay, that object
Okay.
creation in the page like colors, boundaries, okay,
Okay.
and
But
the
is that
tabs.
necessary that you should mention this one?
No, no, .NET is a front end. So by seeing the .NET, that particular .NET, HTML, XML, they use for front end design. So whereas
Okay.
11G, Oracle 11G, they use it for back end. So Oracle 11G used to store the data, but front
Okay.
end it will give to enter the data to do something.
Okay. Front end. Okay. You mean to say, uh, I mean the application, right?
Application front end. If you open the Oracle tool, so front end, what you have? Dashboard icons. When you open PO, it will be opening PO page and PO header, line level, and schedules, distributions. So these are all front end page. Okay, those are developed in the .NET. Hello.
If somebody asks me this, what is this environment .NET HTML? So these are all the front end
Front
platform,
end technology.
front end technology. Okay.
Mm. No, no.
Front
Why
end.
in the alpha isl you kept, sir? One second, one second. See, alpha isl is the Cloud, Oracle Cloud client, right?
Correct.
But please remove this one. This is the wrong actually. Environment,
What about
environment.
Infosys?
No, no. Environment means it is the like a cloud, Oracle Fusion Cloud. Just put the R13 version.
Yeah, okay. R13 version, right? Oracle Cloud R13 version.
Yes, Oracle
What
Cloud.
about other one, sir? One more. But I mentioned that in this one Oracle. I mean for Infosys, right? So
Uh, where I did not see that one. This is fine. .NET own ERP system. Now just remove own ERP, just .NET, and then you can keep. This is the Oracle EBS. So in bracket you can keep Oracle EBS.
okay. Own ERP product. I mean
No,
I'll
no.
remove that
Remove that
one.
own ERP. Write
Hmm.
down Oracle EBS.
Okay. Oracle EBS. Okay.
So remaining things is fine. First one is Oracle Fusion Cloud R13 R13 version.
Okay.
R12 and R13 both you can keep. R12 slash R13. And second one you can keep Oracle EBS. And
Okay.
these things and all, this is yours, right?
No issues, right? Yeah, now already I've updated and it
No,
is
that is
written.
fine. No problem. Just update.
You know what? We see most of the thing they'll ask from the this one, okay, from the resume only. But I'm worried still. So each and every word I need to get prepared.
Uh, Not much actually. I don't know why you are worrying. Don't worry, sir. If you are
Hmm.
worrying, it will start a lot of negatives in our mind.
Hmm.
Forget the worry. Whatever you kept, you should have at least some mm,
Knowledge.
eye on that. That's all.
Okay. Okay. And one more thing, that instance, whatever is there, right? You gave it is open, but when I've tried on requisition,
Hmm.
it is not happening. I'll share that once again. Cannot start scaling. Can I share?
Hmm.
Uh, I think somebody participates. I think Somu is there, right?
So much joined, I guess.
Yeah.
Yeah, hi Somo.
Hi Ramu. Hi Srini.
Yeah. Hi, Sami. Somu. After a long time.
Yeah. How are you?
Yeah. Good. Yeah. How about you? Happy New Year.
Yeah, same to you, Ramu. Same to Srini.
Yeah.
Yeah, go ahead. Share your screen.
Uh, it says that you cannot start share screen while the other participating is sharing.
Why?
No, no, it's saying that you cannot start screen share while the
Yeah,
other.
Ramu, you have to shut down your sharing.
Okay. Yeah, I stopped now sharing.
Okay, okay, that's okay. Yeah, this one.
Mm.
Still, it is running. If you click on purchase requisition,
Mm.
it doesn't move from that tab.
I'll check it out, sir.
Okay, okay.
I'll check it out. I think
This is the implementation screen, right? Not as an end user
no, no.
screen, right?
End user screen. End user.
Sorry.
End user screen. That is. Implementation means setup and maintenance. Once you go there, that particular things are implementation. These are end user.
So is that instant? What you gave me is that end users or implementation?
See, we don't have any separate what you called instant for
Implementation and end user.
implementation and end user. So in
Okay.
the screen, in the
Okay.
under procurement, whatever icons which are showing, these are implementation. Sorry, end user icons.
Okay.
Okay. If you go to vision in the navigation page, go to yeah.
Okay.
It's not opening. I think the server
Okay.
problem.
It's running.
It is taking time. I'll check it out. In the once you go vision, you will find
Okay.
setup and maintenance either in the navigator or SCM underscore IMPL. If you open the drop down, you can find setup and maintenance. So from there, once you click on that, system will connect to configuration pages.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. So
I
this
think
one
once
I'll
this
check
is
it out because once Thursday, Friday will be coming, then this instance will be going to slow Friday. I'll check
okay.
it out. What is the issue?
Okay.
If any uh, password will be changed, then I'll try to give.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Yeah, Somo, how are you?
Yeah, I am good, Ramu. Thank you. What about you?
Yeah, good, good. So you prepared, some mock test?
Yeah, a little bit.
Tell me, like, what is the difference between implementation user and end user?
Like in implementation, we can't like we have to add some job roles over there for the to carry on for the implementation thing. And for the end user, then there are different job roles for end user and implementation.
So what are the job roles are required for implementation?
Like for implementation, we need procurement manager, procurement consultant, application procurement consultant, application procurement manager, IT security.
No, no, no. Application implementation consultant, application implementation manager. It's
Yeah,
not
for implementation.
procurement consultant like that. Okay. And for end user want to become the procurement side. So what and all job roles which you have, which required?
Like procurement consultant, procurement manager.
No. End user, if the end user want to become the procurement end user, like only for procurement department. So are you getting my question? So
Yeah,
end
yeah.
users
Then
are different modules. We have a lot of modules, right? So
yeah.
end user, you have to take a scenario saying that end user is belongs to procurement. So what job roles are required? So
Like
whatever you said
from the
is wrong.
from the procurement field, we have to assign those job roles.
Correct. What are the job roles? What are the job roles? Like implementation you said application implementation consultant and manager. And for procurement, what job roles are required? Because the job roles, list of job roles also I given. I remembered I
Yeah,
shared
yeah,
to you and Srini and another guy. So there, if you go for procurement module specific to that, system will show all the seeded job roles which are provided by the Oracle. So what job roles are required? Preparer, requester, advanced procurement preparer, catalog administrator, buyer, okay, and pay and agent, procurement agent. So these are the job roles are required to make the end user as a procurement user. Okay, and where we are doing
okay.
this particular job roles, in which area we are providing the job roles to the user. So what is the navigation and what is that area name? Srinu,
Yes, sir.
tell me, sir.
Mm.
Hmm? Somo,
Yeah, yeah. Ram.
you are not created so far any user in the
No,
cloud?
I have created it, but
Oh,
long before.
long before. Huh? Where at least, which,
At least
where we need
so, at least so we have some answer long before, but for me nothing, right?
to. Hmm. So security console, sir. Security console, go to
Yeah, yeah.
tools, security console. There, the system will allow to add the job roles or allow delete. And if any password lock is there, you can unlock your user ID. And we have two things, right? Security console also we are creating user, and managers users also we are creating user. So why we have it two scenarios? I mean, two vertical paths. So these are the basic things first.
So these questions are there in that interview video, no, sir?
Interview videos, some of the questions, yes, whatever questions I have, it was there. And this question, whatever question I just now I asked. So what is the difference exactly? Manage users we have, security console we have. Why the Oracle has come up with these two areas for users only, for job roles as well as users creation. So I'll also start like some of the uh, what you call the preparation of questionnaires from granular level, from micro level.
Yes, sir. Whatever you have in your server, please dump those things to us, sir, as soon as possible.
But whatever I given a dump, that I'm not getting any answers. That is what my feeling.
No worries, sir. We'll get, because I was confused which video to go about that. So
Mm.
now I have an idea to
No,
go.
open at least questions. We have Excel sheet, right? Just open the
Yeah,
question.
yeah, yeah. Yeah.
So
Before that, one second, sir. You're able to see my screen, right?
yeah, yeah.
Yeah, we'll finish off this one. Like I came to this one, vision this one, in navigation this one. Here, configuration is there. This is the one.
Mm.
So here you told me setup, right?
No, not here. Go to tools,
Tools. Okay.
setup and maintenance we have. See, if we are not finding here, come to right
Okay.
side.
Right. So here, huh?
Uh, Come out from this page.
Okay.
Say SCM underscore MPL is there, no?
Here. Okay.
Open that LOV. I think problem with machine or
1 second.
mm, to PH.
Yeah, these are the questions, sir. Which are the highlighted one is that which I have answered.
Share it.
You are able to see, right?
No, I'm still seeing your this one
Oh, okay.
application.
One second. Still it is running. You're seeing this instant, right?
Yeah, correct.
Okay, I'll share one second.
Server issues.
Are you able to see my desktop?
No,
Hello?
still we are seeing this one only.
Okay. I don't know why.
Minimize zoom when you're
One
recording.
second. You share Excel. Okay, 1 second. Yeah, now?
Yeah. Now I'll
Yeah.
see. See, predefined job roles for procurement. What is the architecture of the fusion? Somo? What are
Yeah,
the man? Uh, Go ahead.
like architecture of like Oracle is like for first we have to create the enterprise.
Mm,
After that, business units, then inventory, sub inventory.
mm. So what
Sorry,
about?
enterprise, legal entity, BU, inventory, sub inventory.
Okay. Then so what about ledger? Ledger is not required.
Yeah, ledger comes after enterprise. Yeah.
So assume that we have one legal entity. Okay. So
Yeah.
I want to create 5 BUs. Whether system will allow to create 5 BUs under one legal entity.
Yes.
Okay. So for one legal entity, can I do three ledgers?
Yeah, you can create, right? Like a primary ledger and a secondary ledger, right?
Correct. But the thing is, ledger and legal entity, ledger always, what you call connected with the primary ledger. I mean, sorry, legal entity is always type with the primary ledger, but one is enough. Secondary ledger is nothing but subledger. So subledger means if you take complete your Oracle, okay. So we have a procurement. This is one subledger. See, subledger. I mean, pri- primary ledger, secondary ledger. You said right. Secondary ledger. It is not at all um, having any interconnected with the legal entity. But one legal entity, if you are creating, one is sufficient. One ledger is sufficient. So
Okay.
secondary ledger always used for internal reporting.
Correct. Yeah.
Okay.
Primary ledger is for taxation and for any other financial transactions or
Transactions for all those things that primary ledger will be used. Okay. So what are the prerequisites to create the ledger?
the question is not there, sir, in this 26.
Okay. What are the is there no? What are the prerequisites to create ledger, legal entity, BU, inventory and sub inventory? So out of that, I asked only part of question. Go to top. Yeah. So what are the ninth question?
This one is which are the mandatory setups
Ninth,
in the
ninth question, ninth question.
okay, okay.
Yeah, Ramu, we have to define COA, chart of accounts.
Hmm.
Then flex fleets, like descriptive accounting periods, calendars,
Hmm.
and
Accounting period, accounting calendar. Huh?
yeah.
So period is required to create the ledger. And which flex field you used for COA creation?
Like
And fourth one, so how do you make it, sir? So how many flex fields Oracle Cloud will support? Key
I think
flex
two.
field, descriptive
Yeah.
flex field, extensive flex fields. Descriptive flex field, extensive flex fields are used in the transaction screens. Always in the configurations, we are using the KFF. So using KFF, we can prepare the COA. I mean, we can configure the COA. So for configuration of COA, what and all steps we have? So what I will do is next class, I mean next session, each and every level wise, I'll give the sequence of questions. Okay. So first, if you are taking ledger, under the ledger, what primary prerequisites are there? So for each prerequisite, what are the, again, what are the configurations are required? So first, if you finish the configuration, what we need to go next and what we need to go next. So like that, if I give at least some questions, might be again you people will start preparations. Correct? I mean, are you getting my understanding?
Yeah.
yeah.
So chart of account structure, if you want to create, we have a 4 to 5 steps are there. Value sets, value set values, and then accounting structure instance. So using accounting structure, based on the value sets, we are defining the segments. Segment and value sets we are linking there. So whatever value sets which we define, for those value sets, we are giving value set values using another set of tasks. And once structure is defined, for that same structure, we are creating the instance. So that instance only, almost all the screens we are going to use. We are not directly calling the structure. We are calling instance in the subsequent modules. Okay, so once we have a COA, and two more mandatory is accounting calendar, currency, and accounting method. Accounting calendar, currency, and accounting method. So once you have these four mandatory things in your hand, then you can create your primary ledger. Okay, so I think you have to think like where you people are in, like which level. Please don't take it as a personal. I'm just telling as a suggestion. So please, you have to start preparation at least in a proper way, at least in a logical way. So each and every question to question, it will be linked always. So suddenly people won't go and ask something else in the system. They will go sequential. Okay. So from my end, I'll give each level wise, I'll give in detail questionnaires. And if time permits, definitely I'm going to give the answers. But sub answers I cannot show every time. Go to navigation here, here, here. That and all you have to do by listening this particular video, like whatever videos which I'm going to give in future. Those I'll record it, then use that along with the video, whatever videos which I have so far in the database. So in particular one video, you are going to get CVA how you are going to define. So that way, if you are mapping, then easily will understand the subject. So you tell me like, what is your plan? What is your method? Somo? Because see, Somo, I think, as even Srinu, as compared to him, Somo has worked with the support, right? Capgemini you have worked with the support. So
Yeah.
some of the concepts, already procurement concepts.
Yes. Yes.
So other than this one, if any general kind of question, if they ask, suppose for example, you have a ad hoc approver. So what do you mean by ad hoc approver in anywhere, not only Fusion, anywhere, what is ad hoc approver? So some of the questions without doing any practice or without preparation of Fusion, you can give the answers.
Yeah.
So what is ad hoc approver? Srinu or Somo?
I think additional approval, right? Not in the hierarchy, but we are taking, approval from the outside.
Yeah. Actually, it is not required in workflow for ad hoc approval.
It is not triggered through the approval workflow. So intermediately, if they want to add under the same workflow, then that particular thing, that particular process, we call it as ad hoc approver.
That's what, right? If in a regular process, if A, B, and C is there, approvers. If you want to add Z is an additional ad hoc approval, right?
Correct. And what are the approvals we have? How many types of approvals we have?
To parallel and single and parallel.
Single.
One is parallel and the second one is in fusion.
Infusion.
No, actually it is different. The approver like it is different in
In
EBS.
EBS, what are the approvals we have? What are the types of approvals in EBS?
Supervisor and employee.
No, pre-approved and final approved, right? Pre-approved.
No. See, supervisor and employee, that is the routing type, right?
Yeah.
Position hierarchy, supervisor hierarchy, and
Yeah.
single approver and a group. But I'm asking, what are the types?
Pre-approved and approved, right?
No.
Approval types.
Serial, man, serial and parallel. Serial approval, parallel approved. Under the parallel, again, we have it two divisions. One is first responder wins and consensus. So serial means it will go step by one by one. First it will go to A, once A approved, then it will go to B, B approved, it will go to C. If it is parallel, so assume that in our organization we have 4 managers. So one shot system will send the approval document to 4 members. In the 4 members, so based on subsection, suppose first responder wins. out of 4, 1% responded. Then based on his response, if it is rejected, then system won't think about other 3% response. System automatically reject the document. That is first responder wins. And another thing is like consensus. In the consensus, what they will do, out of 4, 3% accepted, 1% rejected. What is the final output of approval document is rejected. So consensus means all 4 approve, then it will approve. Out of 4, 1% rejected, it will be rejected.
Serial approval and parallel approval.
Yes, serial, parallel. Under the parallel, I mean routings, those and all. You can call it as another name routing. Under the parallel, we have 2 routings, consensus and first responder wins. Okay. So I given what are the types of receipt routings?
Receipts, sir.
Receipt routing.
Direct standard inspection.
What is the difference?
Like for direct, for direct receipt routing, like we receive the goods and directly shift it to like so inventory. And in standard, we have to receive the goods, then it has to be delivered to the shipping point, like receiving point, and after that warehouse. And inspection, we have to receive it in the on the receiving point. After that, we will inspect it. After that, deliver to the warehouse.
So in direct delivery, are we using 2 transactions to do the direct delivery or single transaction?
Means like
Single screen or multiple screens?
no, single screen.
Where is standard?
No, all like all are in single screen only.
Single screen only. How we will do in the screen single screen? Suppose if it is standard, you are telling first to receive it, then deliver it. So single screen you can do these two operations at a time. I mean operations after one by one.
Actually, Ramu, direct depends on the like only for the services, and the standard inspection is for goods.
Whatever it may be, either it is service or goods, doesn't matter. But standard means we have a 2 kind of process operations. One is first receive it, then delivery. Delivery we are doing using put away receipts. Put away is the another screen. So receive expected shipments, that is the screen which is used for receiving the goods into our organization. I mean receive it. Then using put away, we are putting into the exact location warehouse. So that is standard. Whereas inspection, first receive it through receiving expected shipments, and then inspection. We have a separate screen called as inspection. Then once the inspection is done, then system will allow to make, I mean, send the particular quality of the goods to the location using put away. Okay. So these and all are there. So what we'll do is like, we'll see some of the classes, like what my major agenda is. Each module wise, I'll drill down some of the questions, but you have to, once you see the question, it has to come at least some 5 minutes sentence in your mind. Hello.
Yeah.
Okay. So I'll wind up because then I said, right, I have the workshop is there today. So we'll meet next class. Okay.
Tomorrow, sir. Tomorrow, or
Tomorrow not possible. I'll inform to you, sir.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. How about Somu? Like,
Yeah, but Ramu, I will let you know. Yeah.
okay. Okay then. Bye.
Yeah.
I'll
Okay.
share this recorded session. Bye.
Okay. Yeah. Thanks.